Show me. Where is mommy? Where is mommy there? Where is mommy? You don't know? Where's mama? Point mama.
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 Yes.
Mama.
It's Josh. That's mama there. Where's Ate Paris here? Where's Ate Paris? Oh, good job! Where's Lola Vilma there? Knock, knock, don't point it, knock. Where's Lola Vilma? Do you know?
It's over here. I don't know.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back
to our channel.
It is Tuesday morning and it's currently 8 o'clock. Paris is now having her breakfast.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, okay. Yep. You eat your breakfast.
And guess what, guys? Tomorrow I'm going to swimming school.
That's right. After school.
And guys, I also have something I haven't. It's what about? Mommy, it really hurts my leg. Even though I can put my
Dumating na yung binili ko online na pinapersonalize ko na mga gamit ni Ate Paris sa school. So, ito ang kanyang water bottle. Ayan. Oh, diba? So, may Paris na nakalagay.
I put my
Hindi
sticker name. I put my sticker name.
And then, oh, did you put your name? You don't have to, because you got your name already here.
Celine. But that's okay.
Silly you.
But that's okay, though.
Oh, come here.
That's okay.
Celine wants to say good morning. Say, good morning, Tita and Tito. Ay, sama. Ay, shush. Oh, no. Uy! Ikaw. Hindi ko makasabot sa imo, ha? Ay, ito pa lang gusto niya. So, ito yung lunch. Be careful, take kasi might tip it. Ito yung kasama niyang lunch box. Ayan. Also, may pangalan ni Paris dyan. And then, yung kanyang lunch bag is in color pink. And also, may pangalan ni Ate Paris dyan. Hindi talaga ito mawawala, guys. Kasi sa kanya lang talaga. May pangalan na. Bumili ako ng mga stickers kasama nito na para sa ibang mga gamit niya. Aww. So, Daddy Mike...
What is this? Sandwiches? Sandwiches.
Daddy Mike prepared Ate Paris' lunch. Ayan.
Hey, this open already.
Yeah, Daddy helped you. This might be hard for you to open it later. And then, ang laman nito ay brain food.
But I really know how to open it.
Yeah, but Daddy's just helping you.
Yeah, he can help out if he likes.
Yeah. Paris get healthy food there for lunch. And ito yung brain food niya. So, before mag-start yung class nila, meron silang brain food session.
I'm being honest.
Come on, finish your breakfast na. I'll put this in your bag. Daddy might work in the office today, guys. Malis na siya kanina pa.
I really want to eat my popcorn. No.
Come on, keep eating. Have your mango.
Oh.
Yan, sobrang cute lang.
My wife's the pink.
Put that in the bag. Ang lang. I'll just put it in the Paris bag lang. Ay, ayaw mo lang palagay nitong ating baby girl. Put it here. Here, water bottle here. And it's here. What time is it? Cool. It's 8:06. It's 8:06. No, Nini. Hi. Good morning, my little princess. Where's your water bottle?
And guys, I missed you.
Aww. Wait, lagi ba? Mama? You know, Celine loves biting now, guys. Ha? Tingnan niyo, oh. Kiniit niya ako dito.
Mommy.
Are you making hot?
I'll lift him.
What's this one, Ling? What's this one?
She can't say it because you take off her.
What's this one? What's this one? Oh no! Maldita ka. Shoes. Shoes.
Oh.
We'll bring water for you, Tina. Okay, Celine is ready. You ready?
Can Filipino people in Filipino world?
Yeah.
I mean
In the Philippines.
Philippines. The people there, can they see us from the camera?
Yeah. Say hi.
Hi! Say it's Tuesday! So where are you guys going? Let's go. Mama.
Medyo siya lang. Magdadala din kami ng wipes tsaka napi extra natin yung baby Celine kasi after na may drop ang kanyang ate sa school, dadalhin ko to siya sa library para sa kanilang merong rhyme time ba for little ones. Dadalhin ko to siya. Pero meron naman siyang ganap. Knock na. That's not until 9:30. Mom. Can you sit down with ate? Huh?
Put her here.
I should show you. Sit down. Oh, yeah. Silly girls. Silly girls.
Mommy.
Ate, show us all friends with you. We're walking to school now. Doon kami nag-park. Oh, kasi walang space. Come on, hold mama be. Give Celine a cuddle. Give Celine a cuddle. We'll see you in the afternoon, Lainey. Mickey's
So cute.
Okay, go. Do you like that flower? Every time makakita siya ng bulaklak, guys, she smells it. Smells good. So we just dropped at the Paris. Now we are heading to the Linda Library. Kasi mag-rhyme time ang ating baby girl. We'll do singing and dancing. Isn't that right lang? Smells good? Huh? Smells so good? It's now 9:23. Tulog ang ating baby Celine. But I have to wake her up kasi 9:30 yung start ng rhyme time. Tulog na tulog eh. So, kakapark lang namin dito sa car park nila, guys. Oh, sakit-sakit talaga ng leeg ko, guys eh. Diyan lang oh. Nini. Princess. You have to wake up, sweetheart. Sorry, my love. For sure you're going to enjoy it anyways. You'll sleep more? Aga kasi nagising kanina, guys. Come to mama. Hi. Where are we? We're at the library. We're gonna do rhyme time. Princess! Princess! Hey! Hello! Hello! We're going in now. Hello! Hello! Alright guys, it's now 11:48 ng umaga. Nandito kami ngayon sa new farm. So, after namin sa rhyme time ni Baby Celine kanina, ay pumunta kami ng Hamilton to pick this up. So, hindi pa rin tapos si What happened lang? Hindi pa rin tapos si Mami niyo sa kanyang decoration sa bahay. So, bumili ako nito throw. Ayan, for our bed or for our couch. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng kanyang patterns. So, this one is like new and this is from Ades. So, I purchased this for $30 only, guys. If I got this one from the shop, $150 to siya. But, because wise tayo pagdating sa mga ganyan, Facebook Marketplace is the way to go. So, this one is, you know, like new and you paid a fraction of the price. So, nag-stop kami dito kasi bibili ako ng coffee. Hindi pa ako nakapagkape, guys. It's already 10:50. And, dito bibili sana ako ng waffle. Pero, it says, sorry, we're closed man sa harapan. Maybe. Ewan ko kung anong oras. Check namin. And, Baby Celine is there. Hi, Lang! Lang, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh! Okay, let's go. Hello, princess. First buyag ko na mo, baby. Buyag ko na mo, baby. Where's the car key? Yan, mama. Oh, napakainit, guys. Say hello. Hello. Where are we going? Sobrang init. Dito sana kami punta. We'll see kung anong oras sila mag-open. Opening. 2 PM pa pala. 2 PM, anak. Damgo man tanak ko eh. Dito na lang muna kami. Bili kami ng chocolate. Okay, ice chocolate lang. Hello. Are you close now?
Not yet, no.
Cool. You do iced chocolate?
I can. Yeah, I can do nice chocolate. Yeah, just gotta mix some chocolate up. Yeah, what are we after?
Yeah,
Just nice chocolate?
Yes, please. That would be great. Which one is easier for you, like hot chocolate or iced chocolate?
Hot would probably be easier.
Okay, we'll do the hot.
You sure?
Yeah, that's fine.
What
No worries
size?
at all.
We've got small, medium,
We'll just get a small one, please. Your water one? Shush. Sleepy? Your water? Okay, hang on. That's Mama's hot chocolate.
Just fine.
Thank you. Great. Come on. Here. It's hot though. You have to be very careful. Oh, this way. Oh, maldita yun yung ano eh. Are you okay? Inubos na Inday. Yummy? Give some to Mama? Mmm. malagig kurik oy. Nak. Mura jud kag kurik.
A few moments later.
We're home, guys. We are now having our lunch. Mommy's having teriyaki chicken. And yeah, sharing with baby Celine. And she also have, show your Celine. Nah, what's in your hand? Show. Ooh, she's got sushi. But she's been wanting to eat this one. Do you want to sit on your high chair? Yummy, yummy? I got you to sit in your hard chair. Sarap ng kain ng ating baby girl, oy. So she's got the rice and teriyaki chicken, carrots. Yummy! It makes me so happy, guys. Kumakain ng ganyan, oh. Ate Paris, my goodness, pahirapan. Yum, yum! So it's 12 o'clock now. Pick up na naman namin sa Ate Paris soon. Yeah? But before that, kailangan ko muna tawagan yung Jungle Time Play Center. So, next month, actually in a month time, our Ate Paris will turn 5 years old. Oh my goodness. 5 years old. So, nag-request siya na yung gusto niya sa, birthday niya ay celebration sa Jungle Time na play center. So, I'm not sure kung lahat sa inyo nakapanood nung pumunta kami doon. It was a really good play center. There's lots of things to do. And she really loves it there. Kasi gusto niyang doon i-celebrate yung kanyang birthday next month. Ha? Yay! What's wrong? Don't put everything lagi in your mouth. So, last night, kami ni Daddy Mike ay nagtingin-tingin sa kanilang website. Kasi makikita mo naman sa website nila kung ano yung mga packages na ginagawa nila. And we found one that we think it's right for her age group. So, we're going to invite her friends. And yung napili namin ni Daddy Mike ay kailangan minimum na 10 kids. So, babayaran mo na yung, yung 10 kids na price. And, it is $39 per head. And, ibubuk na natin. Lini girl, stop doing this, please. Ibubuk na natin ngayon kasi alam niyo naman dito sa Australia, guys, kapag nag-invite ka, kailangan at least a month in advance kasi sobrang busy ng mga tao dito. And since, weekend lamang yung mga may time dito kasi work and that during the weekdays. So, gagawin namin sa 5th of March. Yun yung plano. Yeah! You wanna come down? 5th of March. So, just a day after Ate Paris' birthday kasi 4th of March is Ate Paris. So, ayun. And what's really good about this one, guys, is that parang it's like a weight off your shoulder ba? Kasi kapag binili mo yung package sa kanila, like they will organize it for you. They will or also provide like a printable tawag dyan, invitation na may Jungle Time na theme and that. They'll provide some food for the kids and also yeah, I think it's a really good idea para hindi ka na ma-stress mag-isip-isip pa. At the same time, Ate Paris really loves it, and I think she really deserves it kasi for the last couple of years, parang walang ganitong ano sa kanya ba na with friends. Kasi inisip namin ni Daddy Mike na kapag ginawa namin siya ng ganito, we want her to be like, parang alam niya ba kung ano yung mga nangyayari. Kasi when she was 2, she was 3, parang hindi pa masyado niya maintindihan. But now, she have more friends kasi sa school, and you know, so I think she's going to have a blast. No? So, yeah, start na natin ang ating paghahanda para sa birthday ng ating baby girl. Hindi na baby girl, 5 years old na. Baby girl na sa Ate Paris, no? Tapos, after that, maybe a week after that, we will organize like lunch with the whole family. Ganun. Stop playing with the food, please. I can't believe she's going to turn 5 now. Parang kailan lang eh. Iniri eh. I got your water, okay? Where did you put your sushi? Where did you put your sushi? Huh? I will show you guys yung napamili natin. Actually, nung bumili kami ni Baby Celine ng hot chocolate doon kanina. So, nag-stop kami sa isang op shop kasi malapit lang naman doon. Lakad lang. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung binili natin. So, again, ito yung, malaki to siya, guys. Ayan. See? I really like that style. So, I was thinking, if it's not too small, yeah, I think it's too small for the big couch. Siguro dito. Or maybe, throw na lang to siya sa bed. It will look nice. I wanna keep this one here, kasi parang pop of color ba? Kasi ito siya, very similar na yung kulay nito dito. So, yung peachy pink na kulay. Tapos, merong isang cushion na ganito. Ayan. Ay! Don't touch it lang. Ah! Pop, 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 pop. Get the remote. What happened to your show? What happened to Rachel? Then, ito yung nabili namin doon sa op shop. Woo! Do you like this one? So, book to siya na may 365 stories for girls. So, it means, you know, 1 story per night. We'll read the girls. Grabe, sobrang daming story, guys. Grabe, I love it. Gusto ko to kasi nasa isang libro na siya ba?
Yeah.
So, hindi maraming libro. Magkalat-kalat dyan. Especially Ate Paris loves reading stories, guys, kapag before siya matulog ba. His Lee? It's so cool. And then, I got Lily this romper. na denim. Cute naman ito eh. And then, another onesie from Bonds. My goodness, anak. Ayan. For Lini as well. Uy! Oopsie! Di ba magkisabi? Ikaw na sabi kay mama is showing something. And then, there's another two. Meron pang dalawa. Here. Bumili ako nito. This is a quilt cover for Ate Paris' bed kasi single to siya. Doon na cover niya. Ganda ng print. Unicorns. Hang on lang. Heavy. There you go. Unicorns ang kanyang print. It's super cute. Super girly. And then another one is for us sa aming bed. So I bought this one. It's a cotton. Also a Duna cover, guys. Sobrang ganda. Very comfortable lang siya sa ano. I love it. White. Kasi parang hotel lang yung feeling. For some reason, I really love pag ano, Duna cover sa amin ha. Plain lang siya. Kasi very luxe ang kanyang looks ba. Pero for kids, obviously, mas ano talaga ng kids yung may mga prints. So this is the queen size. Ito yung nakikita ko sa mga hotel, guys. Alam niyo ba, sobrang mahal nito kung sa store nito siya bilhin. Anong brand ba nito, B? Wala talaga akong problema, guys. Kahit na, ano, yung ukay-ukay. Kasi tignan nyo, ito, oh. Itong shirt ko na to, I bought this one from the Philippines. Actually, yung mga minayin ko ba sa online. Live selling. Tapos, pinapadala ko na mama. So, nung umuwi kami, ito, bit-bit ko to siya. And have a look, oh. Diba? Suotin mo, sinong magsasabing, ay, ano, pangit yan kasi galing sa ukay-ukay. Diba? Super cute pa niya. Meron pa siyang Mickey dyan sa likuran. Diba? Kaya wala akong problema talaga, guys. Pagdating sa mga ganyan. Ito, susuban yung brand new pa, oh. Tapos, ano lang to? Magkano ba tunak? Very cheap lang tunak ba? I think yung kay Ate Paris ay $4. Tapos, itong sa amin ay $6. Wala naman ito yung tab na ko eh. 6. We'll wash it so we can start using them. We're super excited. Kakatapos ko lang ding mag-vacuum, guys, dito. I'll get Celine ready. Change ko yung kanyang damit kasi she's dirty from the hot chocolate earlier today. And then we'll go pick up at the parish. Actually, before natin yan gawin pala, ano pa bang oras ngayon, be? Baka ma-short tayo, nak. Oh, it's still 1:47 in the afternoon. So, yung gagawin ko ngayon na lang ay ilalabas ko yung ating beef burn. Magluluto tayo ng sinigang for tonight. So, kagabi, ito siya. Nasa freezer. Tapos, nilabas ko siya para mag-to. And then, start ko na siyang i-boil para tonight ay soft na siya. Kasi alam nyo naman, beef bones, guys, sobrang tagal mag-soften. Change plan tayo, guys, kasi nung niready ko na yung pan, kasi lulutuin ko na sana yung ating beef bones, ay inamoy ko, guys, parang hindi ko bet ang kanyang amoy. Kasi nilabas ko siya sa freezer kahapon, tapos sa fridge ko na siya nilagay. But now na nag-soften siya ba, na-to na siya ba, I don't like the smell. So, I throw it away. Kaya naglabas na lang ako ng ibang meat na lulutuin natin for tonight. Yeah, yung chicken na lang mamaya. Kasi hindi ko na talaga gusto yung kanyang amoy. Huy! Nagdidi man ni ating baby girl, oy. See? Having a video call with the family. Wala man sila, oy. Wala man. Say hi, Mac. You're back in the kuan. Asan na si Mama? Nawa na. Didi. Hi, Ma.
Mama.
Mak, nga no? Agtang naman ako nakita ni mo, Mak.
Alang, nag-ilis ko na.
Ha?
Nag-ilis ko na. May skandal pa lang.
Viral dyan ta.
Nalalengling. Paling ito.
Can you do it?
Pa.
Say it.
Na-pick up ko na, oh. Ang
Say
aking
it!
madaldal na baby.
Say it.
Ang isa ay sleeping. And you
Say
might wonder
it's
why
really-
meron kaming ano
It's
sa
really
taas.
simple, mine.
Okay.
Stop saying it when I'm saying it.
Okay.
After me. Hey, after me. What did I say?
Tinuturoan niya ako.
What did I say? Again.
Am I right?
Yes.
We bought that one from Marketplace again. Dyan lang sa kapitbahay namin. Like, literally 2 minutes drive.
And mommy,
Ayan, para sa
can you
kwarto.
say this? Say it again. Say it.
Dito kami sa harapan ng Nando's, guys. Bibili kami ng
Say it.
pagkain.
After it's not B, it's A.
A.
Okay, again, okay?
Okay.
Good job. What with this one? Okay, what with another
Nabuangon mo
one?
kayo muna ka.
What with another one? Okay, again.
Apple! What's this one?
Grape.
Apple.
Apple.
Say apple.
Oh, she said apple twice.
Apple.
Say apple, Celine. Celine.
Say apple. Oh, that was very clear, Daddy.
What's that?
Yes.
Mine.
What's that?
This one was on the wall.
Celine, what's this? What's this? Apple?
Can you say apple?
Apple.
Mommy, up there was a gecko.
Apple.
Mine, up that wall, there's a gecko. There's a
Apple.
gecko right now.
What's this?
No, not now.
Apple.
Can you say apple to Celine sa shelf?
Apple.
Let me get for her.
Hey, apple. Mama will cut it for you.
Say
Buy it for her.
apple.
Celine,
Yeah,
come in.
yeah.
Oh, look.
Take it off.
Ow! Did you just bite my finger? Oh my god. Yeah.
Apple.
She's been very chatty today.
Yeah, Mama.
Die.
Apple.
Die.
There we go.
Sweetie kill.
No treat for you if you lock me in. This you would have.
Die.
Yummy.
What treat is mine?
Katapos lang namin kumain ng hapunan, guys.
I don't think we have.
Oh, trust me, Baba. I can find one.
Which one?
A treat.
Daddy will always have a treat for you.
Apple.
You say apple.
No.
No? What's the
Say
sound?
ah.
What's the sound?
Ah.
Apple.
Apple. Ah. What's it? Apple. Say, what's the sound?
What's the sound of A?
Apple.
Huh?
What's the sound of?
What's the sound of
Apple.
What's the sound of horse?
Water.
Ask her lang.
Ling.
Okay. Horse.
What's the sound of the horse? What's the sound of the horse? What's the sound of the horse? No, not that. Nay!
Apple. Apple.
What's the sound of the cat? Mom!
Mom.
Remember you're
What's the
gonna
sound of the dog?
Maybe remember you said remember you're
What's the sound of the sheep? Sheep.
Celine. Celine. Watch. Celine.
You a wolf? Okay. What's the sound of Santa Claus? Santa Claus.
No, no one. Celine. Celine. Look, wait, stop. Celine. 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 Look at daddy.
Little me, Ling, Celine, Celine, Ling, Celine, Celine.
What's that of Santa Claus? Santa Claus.
My baby loves my daddy.
Ask her what my shoes are.
What's this now? Ling, what's this thing? Ling, what's this thing? What's this? What's this?
Why is he the back?
What's this lang? What's this?
Say shoes.
I can't find it. It's in a comparison milk and tree. Never for bed.
This one.
Come
on, go get milk.
I'm so excited.
Excited. We'll get milk for the girls. Milk.
Can I carry
Milk. Napaliguan ko na pala to siya, guys.
And you carry the whole thing, that's okay?
Which one?
Can you read me a book? A book?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you choose which one you want Mama to read tonight. Oh, wait for Daddy. Daddy, get milk, Daddy, please.
This one.
Which one? The girl with the magic hair?
Rapunzel. You can say Rapunzel.
Yeah.
For the title if you like.
No, that's the title though. The girl with the magic hair.
What is Celine drinking out of?
The little one.
Where is that?
Plastic. No. I think. Yeah.
Mine, that's also Rapunzel.
That's
Mine,
Flynn Rider. Flynn Rider.
is that same? Mine, it probably is. It says, Mommy, it says Rapunzel.
Where?
See?
Oh, Tangled. Yeah. Silver Rapunzel. La 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 la. what you doing, Ling?
It's just showing you
Oi!
what the page is when you run from the space.
Stay here, because Daddy's gonna give you milk. There you go. Have your milk.
My dad's also a puzzle. My dad's also a puzzle.
Well, you.
That's my
Yeah, you're getting it. Just milk. Make sure someone's.
Here. Pink.
This is a good one. I like this one. Mine's my favorite. Love you, Rapunzel, baby. I'm saying it to you, Celine. You're the cutest baby in the world.
Now, who would like to go to Tito Tommy's tomorrow morning
Me.
if they wake up early enough?
Daddy. That's really, you have to put that in your mouth really quick. Dad, you have to put it in your mouth really quick. Dad, I can do it myself.
No, but you have to wait for Celine first to go to bed.
Because she will eat it.
Right.
Wait, who is that for?
Someone special.
Ooh, have a look, Daddy.
What?
Drink it all.
Good girl, Leanie. Wow. Oh, wow, Leanie. Good girl, Paris. She's catching up too. Good girl, Baba.
What's the sound of Santa Claus? Oh, finish na milk. No more. Finished na. Finito. Who's this? Who's this? You know? Who's this? Who?
She can say that because she doesn't know stuff.
Who's this?
Mommy. She said over there.
Oh, dude.
Tita Mimi.
Tita Mimi, Tummy, baby.
When we go see her, I guess she'll have a baby.
Yes. I choo, baby. Show me.
I'll be allowed. That's you.
That's you. Baby, show me. Show me. Where is mommy? Where is mommy there? Where is mommy? You don't know? Where's mama? Point mama. Where? Which one?
No, that's KM.
Mama.
No.
Where's mama?
Mama.
Mama. Yes.
Mama.
It's yours.
No.
That's mama there. See? Mama.
Do.
That's Kuya Wano.
Koya.
Where is where is Ate Paris? Point Ate Paris there. Where's Ate Paris here? Where's Ate Paris? Oh, good job! No, you don't Ate Paris.
What?
Where is
Celine.
Lula? No, Lula. Where's Lula Vilma there? Knock, don't point it, knock. Where's Lula Vilma? Do you know?
It's over here. I don't know.
Where?
Where's the jelly?
Oh, where's Lula Vilma?
Wait for Celine to go to bed.
How about Tito Gab? Point Tito Gab.
She is already.
Ay, salang. Careful. Where's Tito Gab? Point Tito Gab.
She's already pointing on his leg.
Hang on. No, she has to use her hintuturo. Where's Tito Gab?
Do.
Nah. just made a midnight snack. Look at the time. 12:49. Daddy's having that. I thought you're having tom yum, isn't it? Tom yum.
It is. They're both tom yum.
Huh?
They're both.
Oh.
But this is mama. Not.
What? Ah, this one. This is Papa. Nanood kami ng movie, guys. What was that? Cuddle.
Or
Cuddle Weather. Sa Netflix, si Sue Ramirez. Tapos nagluto si Daddy Mike ng...
what was the doctor? Right. If you know that, then you know literally every single Filipino.